Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing well and everything goes right as per our requirement. So in the last session I have given you some tasks about creating new function for division and multiplication and also complete the subtraction function. So let's see how it works. So at first I'm going to create another function and name it as division. I'm going to name it as divi, and also I'm going to pass to variable called a and v, actually the parameter from here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to console log it with a divisible sign v. Okay, let's see what is the outcome. Okay, so I need to call the function as well, so it is divi, and I'm going to pass the values 9 and 3 in this case. So if everything working fine, then I can see the value of division of 9 and 3, and it should be 3. The answer should be 3. So let's see if it's worked properly. So I'm going to start the live server again, and I'm going to see the console of it because I just did the console log. So it is coming as 0. Why 0? Because I just put divisible sign over there. So divisible means what are the extra input will be covered up after the division. So in this case, if I did 9 divisible by 3, so there is no outbreak number, so it will be given me the 0 value. So if I just need the division value, then I need to put this side, okay, forward slash. Let's see now what it shows. It is showing me the value 3. Okay, if I just change the number and see what is going to show if I give 10 and I need the divisible value of it. Okay, so it is given me 1 because 3 into 3 will be 9 and 1 will be left. 3 into 3 will be 9 and 1 will be left. So in this relation, we now can divide and also get divisible value from it. Okay, now let's just show the result in the DOM element. How I can do it? I need to create another paragraph for it, and I'm going to given the ID divi val. Okay, now I need to call it inside here. So what will be the syntax? Like the last time, I need to call the document object, and then I need to call a method get element by ID, and I need to put my ID over here, and also I need to call the inner HTML method of it, and I need to assign my result over here. For that, I'm going to add one variable for fab total, and in this case it will be a divided by b, and I need to force this one from here. And now I also remove the console log from here. So let's see what it shows. It shows 3.3.3.3 because I'm giving the first thing the value. First one is 10 and second one is 3. Okay, still now it is fine. Let's see the passing with 9 and 3. Now it is showing me the 3. Okay, so it is working properly still now. Now I need to add another function, and I can name it as multi, and also I'm going to pass two parameters. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to again create another variable called total, and this time I'm going to multiply these two parameter value. Okay, so a star b, and also I'm going to create another b tag, and this time I'm going to give the id as multi-val, and also I'm going to render it with DOM element. So again, document.getElement by id, so it will be the reference of this one, and then I can change the inner HTML part of it with my variable. Let's see what happened. Nothing happened. Why nothing is showing up here? Because we created the function but we didn't call it. So again, I need to call the function, and now I can pass any numerical value from here. So let's pass 4 and 3, and it should give me the 12, and it is working fine. And so our two function, division and multiplication, works fine. And also I need to complete the subtraction function. For doing that, what I need to do, I need to add another paragraph of it where I can show the subtraction value. So I'm going to keep the id subval, and I'm going to first do values from here 10 and 5. Also in the function definition, I need to first two parameter, and in this case what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new variable, and it should be a minus b. This is my logic. Okay, and again I'm going to call the document object and get element by id. I need to reference of this p of id, and then I'm going to change it in HTML by my variable. Okay, so now my for function is running fine, and they are capable of printing the result in the DOM element as well. What if I need to change some CSS of it without adding any style sheet or any inline CSS or any internal or external CSS? How I can do it? By simply the JavaScript method. Let's see. So at first I need to call the object of the area what I need to change the CSS. Okay, so I need to call this one at first. So pointing to that id, at first I need to do document.getElement by id, and then what I can do, I can use some CSS method over here. What I need to do now is to add style property over here, and then I need to write the property name what I'm going to do with the style. So now I can change the color of it by simply calling the color property and then the value assigned to it. So I'm going to do it blue. So let's see if it's become blue. Yeah, it is working fine. Now it's become blue. What if I need to change the someone as sub1 actually? So what I need to do, again I need to call document.getElement by id, to get the reference of that word by passing the ID, and then I need to call the style method and the property name. Here I can change the property color to red, as this value is string, so I need to write within comma. Okay, so it's became red. Okay, so still now my all the function calling and changing the DOM element and changing the DOM element style works fine. So what I can do in the next lesson, we can create our calculator with the 4 icons and 2 input box, where you don't need to pass every time with separate values, and I can call these values dynamically. Okay, we'll create that in next lesson. Till now, bye bye. Thanks for watching, and please do practice it and let me know if you have any issues with any kind of coding. Thank you.